I'm in a wide body scat. Pulled all the doors off. Diesel working on the door. Putting the kill switch in. Well, wire everything up. We got the TV going. We in our mode, man. We're gonna rip this joint to shreds. I'm gonna get back to y'all. Yeah, we in. Y'all can see we in. Get out then. Dirt ball. We gotta get this headline out of here. Keep it out there. We got a whole lot going on. We back this next day. Headlights. These headlights already wired up, already done out. We gonna redo them.
Like a little malleable, a little soft. We'll probably take
Headlights out. We done.
hour, push back a little hour maybe or something like that. But it shouldn't be good.
Millionaires, hustlers. We are in one of the spots, one of the locations. We're on location right now. I'm gonna get in here so I can start looking like him. See, he putting it back in.
That's how we looking, baby.
We switch locations again, man. Finished product. Waiting on customer to pull up. Then we're gonna start fiddling with this, and then we got another headlight job I pull up, and we're gonna pull his joints out. He's got two different modules in there, because he wanted to be able to run this a different color, and this a different color. That's so hard. I like. All right, so right. Ooh. Say it over again, but he just left, so we got finish his headlights. I think I showed y'all we poked this joint up. I don't know what I showed y'all last night, but we done poked this joint up. It's got 550 stars, 600 stars to its strength. There's some shooters. Oh yeah, I got this headline right here. And the tape up all these drinks, so it's not a million and one drinks when I'm cutting that shit. So you got two different remotes. Yeah, there you go. Guys are doing final touches. All right, y'all. I literally just got that Camaro. This is literally within the same 5 minutes. We got a Charlie, man. Finna get this headliner in and out, man. It's okay, bro. No, bro. Not Ringo, nigga. I ain't give aside that. Hit that. Hit that. Hit that. Boosting that motherfucker up for y'all. Oh, he pushing. Y'all. Oh, yeah. We got the legendary, the one and only. Stop playing so much. Good. 1-on-1 right there. What? It's nice to see it again.
Everything in the back. Like 4 boxes, I believe.
I see it before, man. Nothing in this joint. This joint is regular schmegular. We got a long socket tin, man. We're gonna go ahead. Whoa! You got something on back here already. They look like they know what they're doing. Ready to come out just like that. Got the sunroof up. Yeah, we got two wide bodies. Wide body scat. And we got a cat. Both getting the same thing. Ambient light and the headliner, bro. You niggas ball. No headliner. Put this on in the cut. I'm trying to air down. It's a little hot in the garage. I ain't gonna lie. We're gonna let that joint air out. Alright, this is the, like, what is it, 600, 650? Probably 700. We just lost count, but in a good way, though. This is not the red eye. Red eye's over there. Got the TV going, but I can't do it. It's copyright. He said that dope ain't gonna be hitting us. There's too much baking soda. I ain't playing game no more. I ain't playing game no more, bitch. I don't bro, no more control. Update what is on. Took a little break. Here's the red eye headliner. Putting the RGB shooters in there. You know what I'm saying? He gonna get the red eye emblem right here.
That's never gonna happen.
This joint gonna be bust. No cap. This joint gonna be awesome, yeah.
Because I always think.
Alright, yeah. Whole thing done. He ugly as shit. He don't even know I'm fucking recording his He gotta play color and stuff. Let's see. I can't cause Bluetooth and it's got at the same time. But y'all know what my shits look like. It's the same shit. And then he got the stars. Same thing. I can't be on the app and record at the same time. Try to see it, bro. And he got shooters actually. Bullshit. Alright, man. Headlight job. We got a sweet half and half, bro. This joint hard as shit.
They say tennis is great for learning. You can customize.
Yeah, real motion in the trap. Got a lot of fucking cars, man. Cat, ZL1. You know we got the cat right here. Stop playing. I don't know no too many niggas that do this shit. What you talking about? Yeah. He looking up the what's it called for the plate. He's getting the wolf box and the plate and stuff. He's finna be busting ass. Alright, go ahead, hit it. You don't know who the fuck that is. Stop playing. Say it one more time. Stop playing. Stop playing. Yeah. Y'all, we in a ZL1, y'all. This is crazy. My man Alex is a W man. We about to. I sound like a little kid right now, but oh my God. Nah, that's nice. That's crazy. That's nice. The downshift is crazy on auto like that. Holy shit. Where'd you get a tune box?
That's like Fantasy Factory.
It's like so much smoother than the cat, bro. I'm gonna let you drive it. You're gonna see. Like, this is dangerous. If you're not paying attention, it's too late. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck? Oh my god, bro. I feel like I'm in a heavier Corvette. Adelaide, I just tried to cat. Go ahead. Uh-huh. Yeah. See how rowdy it is? Like, go ahead. Uh-huh.
Go ahead.
Break her down. Keep going, all the way to 1. Dog her, I don't care. Dog her. All the way to 1. Yep.
Got Unc's approval.
I was getting G, switching lanes on. Do a little pat. Yeah. Yeah.
That's crazy. I like this. This is nice.
Ooh, yeah. Yeah.
Those from Japan.
Plus, man. Oh, and he got the glove box, y'all. This jumps OC. With the blue. I'm gonna show y'all with the blue. True blue. Dang.